Hi. Are you looking for a way to keep your important workspaces secure, and get rid of your fear of losing your sheets? Smarter Workspace Backup Manager is the best way to create backups. In this tutorial, you will learn how to let SMCC create automatic backups based on the chosen frequency. Let's get into SMCC, then launch the feature by clicking on Smarter Workspace Backup Manager. In the first step, you need to click on Add a New Backup Job button. Then select the workspace you want to backup and click Next. After that, you get a notification about the destination location of your backup workspace. Click Next. At this point, you set the frequency of backup and the number of backups. I'll select one backup per day, and set number 1 to keep only one backup every time. Then click Save. Finally, click on Run Smarter Workspace Backup Manager as once a day. Run complete. Now let's go to see the first backup on Smartsheet account. You are supposed to find a new workspace with the same name and the prefix ZZ. Very good. Bye.